One of the most important aspects of managing a construction project is to organize and distribute the documentation so that all users have proper information. However, if the tool that manages and distributes the information is not easy to use, flexible, and fast, the user will find ways to work around the system. These alternate sources may save the user time, but they end up increasing the likelihood that they are using outdated information. The process may be convenient, but the data is not accurate. We are continually working to make accessing information within the system easier, faster, and optimized for each user's needs. Our latest new feature makes accessing documents more convenient than ever. Users frequently need to access multiple documents related to a problem or a task. The documents are usually stored in various places throughout the project's document folder structure. For example, a user performing an inspection on a mechanical system may need the related architectural, electrical, and plumbing drawings, an RFI, and multiple submittal documents. Unless the system provides an easy way for the user to locate and access those documents quickly, the user will waste time hunting for the documents. When the user is on site and needs to reference the documents quickly, they will be frustrated navigating through multiple folders. It would be ideal if they could create a temporary location where they could store the documents they need. With Document Favorites, any user can create one or more favorites folders that can be used to store a group of project documents. It makes it easy for the user to create their own custom view of the necessary documents without the risk of using outdated information. Let's return to our user who needs to go on site to perform an inspection of a first floor mechanical system and needs a number of documents, a few submittal documents, and specification sections. Before they go on site, they can navigate to the first drawing that they need and select the Add to Favorite action. The system will create a new Favorites folder and add the documents to that folder. The user can continue to locate the additional needed documents in different locations and add them to their Favorites folders. It makes no difference what type of documents are selected. The system will add whatever is selected to the Favorites folder. Users can also drag one or more documents to their Favorites folder, so adding a large number of documents is easy. Favorites give each user the flexibility to configure their favorites to meet their needs without worrying that they might be working with old, outdated information. They can use the Favorites folder by itself, or they can create a sophisticated folder structure to store all of their favorites. When the user completes their inspections and no longer needs access to the documents, they can remove the documents from their Favorites folders. If the user had extracted the files to a local hard drive for use on site, they may have missed critical updates that occurred after they had extracted the files. With Favorites, they have the flexibility to organize the documents, coupled with the security of knowing that the information is always up to date.